In front of me is Motorola Moto G77, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off location. Begin by going into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen twice. Now look for location shortcut. If you don't have it here, use this bin at the bottom right corner of this section. Then scroll. Hold your shortcut and drag it wherever you wish. Let go and go back. But I have mine here, so I have to click on it. And as you can see, mine is black. That means that location is off, but you can always switch it on by tapping on the same one until it's blue. Quick tip, you can also go into settings and scroll to tap on location over here. Then manage it thanks to this switcher to switch it off or turn it on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!